You don't give a damn about what I do. You think you're the coolest. Who would ever wanna be like you? You left my heart in pain. Yeah, you don't have to admit it now. You want me to stay, but I can barely use it now. You left my heart in pain.
Hello guys, what is up? It has been a long and a cool week, so DCS is right back again, and you guessed it right, this time it's from the Hot Wheel. It's the Gumball 3000, and it's got 6 out of 10 in HW rating. It's none other than the Ford Escort RS 1600, guys. So it's a legit cool machine, and it's got a lot of detailing to discuss about, so we'll get there shortly. But moving on to the last week's video, well, the last week's video was about the 16 Bugatti Chiron. It was a legit cool car, guys. It's an exotic, a hyper car. It had quite less detailing, but still can't deny the fact it's a legit cool machine. So yeah, talking about the last week's quick quiz, well, the question was, what did Ferruccio Lamborghini manufacture before he got into the automobile industries? So the answer is, he used to manufacture tractors. I don't know why people put in the comment box, they just put so lengthy answers, but the answer is, he just used to manufacture tractors. So the first person to actually give the right answer was Zedator Gaming. So congratulations, buddy. You've just got a shout out from me. And yup, check his channel out. He's got that cool gaming channel with all the PUBG gaming and Minecraft stuff too. So it's quite interesting. So check his channel out. And moving on to today's Ford Escort. The quick quiz of today. So the question is, which Japanese engine is related to a US snack? So put your answers down below. It's quite a confusing one, but you'll get it right. So let's move on to the unboxing of the Ford Escort, guys. Here it is, once again, the unboxing, but of the Ford Escort, guys. So, yup, let's take a look at the front. So, it's got the nice chrome bumper type treatment over there, only at 2 sides, because in the middle it misses it. And, yup, the grills are quite covered by this aftermarket fog lamps, which are legit nice, and it misses the headlamp detailing, which is quite a disappointment again. And yup, it's got the huge Gumball 3000 sticker on it, on the hood, and the number 3 at the side, which we can't miss because this car is all about the decals. Talking about the chromed interior, it's quite nice, guys, actually. And yup, it's got the nice orange and white stripes all over the body, and yup, the chrome bumper at the back, and this tiny exhaust, which I can't even see. It also misses the tail lamps, which is a sad thing. And yup, it's got the Hot Wheels sticker at the back. And yup, it's also got that one-sided side view mirror. So yup, let's move on to the information, guys. Guys, as we have taken a round look of this car, it's time for one thing, the information of the Ford Escort RS 1600 right here. So let's start with the production, guys. The production actually began at 1968, and yup, it ended up at 2004, which is a really nice production time, guys. And talking about the body style is actually a 2-door coupe. And moving on to the engine is actually a straight 4-cylinder 1.6 liter dual overhead cam, which is seriously an amazing engine, and it's also a rear wheel drive, guys. And moving on to the transmission, actually this car doesn't have many options, it just comes with a 4-speed manual. And talking about the horsepower, guys, this car packs up to 113 brake horsepower. Moving to the length of this car is 3,975 mm. Talking about the width of this car is 1,568 mm. Talking about the second best part, that's the 0-60 time. This car does its 0-60 in 8.9 seconds. Well, moving to the best part, that's the top speed. Well, the top speed of this car is 113 miles per hour, which is 182 kilometers per hour. Actually, the miles per hour is quite equivalent to the brake horsepower of this car, guys. Yeah, just you have noticed that. So, tell me about the price, guys. The last part. The price of this car is actually 45,000 pounds if you want it in a good shape, not the rust bucket one. So, yup, guys, as I've ended up the information, it's time for one thing, special facts. So let's go for it. Okay, so let's see what's it got here. Okay, so it's not a big one, but still. So the 74 Escort was the first ever Ford road-going car to be fitted with a 16-valve dual overhead cam engine. That's quite interesting to know that the first dual overhead cam 16-valve engine was in the 74 Escort. So, yep, guys, as you have got to know the special facts, it's the end of the video, guys. So, I hope you guys enjoyed it. And, yup, put your answers down below in the comment section. I'll check it out next week. Till then, so long. Bye-bye now. And enjoy your weekend, guys. And one more thing, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.